In this video, I'm going to demo some new features of Course Builder which give instructors the flexibility to quickly and easily mix videos, activities, and more on their lesson pages. First, here's an example of the sort of thing that's possible. You have text, images, a couple of videos, some questions, and an embedded Google Doc all on the same page. The secret to this is embedded components in the lesson editor. Let's click through to edit the lesson and then select the Rich Text Editor. As we scroll down the lesson, you can see each of these icons represents a course component. In Course Builder 1.4, there's support for dropping in YouTube videos, Google Docs, Google Groups, and Course Builder activities. There's also an extensible API, so developers can add other learning components too. Now I'm going to show how I set up this lesson. We can start in the dashboard by adding a new lesson, giving it a title. Let's switch to the Rich Text Editor and add in a little text. If we like, we can add in an image. I'm going to add an image. And now I'm going to drop in a video from YouTube. Let's put in 2 videos which I found from YouTube. Choose where you want the video to be inserted and click on the toolbox icon. Select the type of course component that you want. As you see, you can have a Google Doc, a Google Group, a spreadsheet. I'm going to select YouTube video. And for the YouTube video, I need the video ID. I go over to YouTube and I look under the Sharing tab and select the ID. That's the last part of the URL. I'm just going to copy that and paste that into the field for video ID inside of Course Builder. And there's the YouTube icon for the first video has been dropped into my course. You can mix video and text. So if I add some text here, and I'll put another video in here. Quickly select another YouTube video. Choose the Share tab inside of YouTube and select the video ID. Paste that into Course Builder. And there's my second YouTube. And you can add activities in as well. The activity can be one which you've already written, or it can be one that you add into your current lesson in the text box underneath the lesson body content. I'm just going to use the one that I've already written, so I'll drop that in here. Finally, I'll embed a Google Doc. So I'll click the toolbox, select Google Doc, and I need the link to the document. I've got that selected up in another tab here. Here's the link to the document that I'm going to embed in my lesson. And the width of the document is set by Course Builder, but you can choose how high you want it to be. 300 pixels isn't quite high enough for what I want. I'm going to make it 600 pixels. So now I've built up a lesson that's got a picture, a couple of movies, an activity, and a Google document. I'm going to save this, and then let's go over to the class view and we can see what this looks like. I'm going to jump into the course. I'm going to click on Demo, and here's the demo lesson that I just made up with my image, a couple of pictures, an activity, and my Google Doc.